Let me clear this. All right. Now, Alicia drives from her house to the train station. If she drives at a rate of 10 kilometers per hour, she reaches the station at 6 p.m. If she drives at 15 kilometers per hour, she would reach the train station at 4 p.m. At what speed in kilometers per hour should she drive so that she reaches the train station at 5 p.m.? Now, first things first, because here in the question, we are only given the speed, which is the kmh, and the time, which is either 6 p.m. or 4 p.m. So what we need to do first is to find the distance between her house and the train station. Time equals the distance over speed. I'm quite sure all of you know this. All right, so let's move on. Now, d over 10 minus d over 15 equals to 2. Now, distance, distance, because time is distance over speed. So if we take d divided by the speed, she will reach the train station at 6 p.m. If we take the distance divided by the speed of 15, she will reach the station at 4 p.m., which is 2 hours earlier. That's why we can equate it to 2 hours. So when we simplify this, making the denominator the same and simplifying the top, we'll get d equals to 30, and then, d over 30 equals to 2, and then we can get what? D equals to 60 km. So after we have found D equals to 60 km, we're not done. Why? Because the question asks us to find at what speed, okay? They want to find speed. So let S be the speed which she should drive at to reach the train station at 5 p.m. So, because we know that the distance is 60 kilometers, now distance over speed, we get time. So 60 divided by 10, the speed of 10, she'll reach at 6 p.m. So if we want to reach at 5 p.m., it will be a 1 hour gap between it. Now, we know the distance, we don't know the speed at which she would drive to reach the station at 5 p.m. That's why we put an S here. So now we solve for the unknown, S. So we simplify this, we get 6, and then we move it over, -5. Therefore, we get S equals to 12 kilometers per hour.